pervades the massive building. Occasional footsteps echo across the concrete floor, creating a sense of anticipation and preparation. Metal clanging and dragging sounds dominate as the fuselage frame is positioned on assembly supports. Workers shout coordinates to each other across the factory floor. Hydraulic lift machinery whirs and groans under the weight. Heavy structural components scrape and settle into place. Cockpit frame installation brings the sharp crackling of welding torches. Protective gear rustles as technicians move carefully around the delicate work area. Metal tapping sounds ring out as alignment checks are performed. Sparks sizzle and pop in rhythmic patterns. Rear fuselage section movement creates deep mechanical sounds as the crane motor whirs steadily. Safety alarm beeps punctuate the air at regular intervals. Workers call out instructions with urgency and precision. Metal components groan under controlled tension. Alignment process brings the clicking of precision measurement tools. Pneumatic tools hiss and release compressed air in short bursts. Technical discussion. Voices overlap as engineers debate exact positioning. Laser measurement devices emit soft beeping tones. Intensive riveting sounds fill the hangar, with rapid pneumatic hammer bursts creating a staccato rhythm. Metal-on-metal impacts echo throughout the space. Protective hearing gear muffles the surrounding conversations. Work continues with industrial intensity and focus. Wing components being organized create sliding metal sounds across the factory floor. Inventory-checking voices call out part numbers and specifications. Clipboards tap against hard surfaces. Heavy panels shift and settle with metallic resonance. Wing assembly construction brings structural parts connecting with satisfying clicks and thuds. Bolt tightening with power tools creates high-pitched whirring. Engineering discussions carry technical terminology. Measurement confirmations ring out across the work area. Matching wing construction produces symmetrical assembly sounds that mirror the previous work. Quality control measurements are announced with professional precision. Technical commentary flows between team members. Tools impact with consistent rhythm. Wing skin panels inspection creates the sound of metal sheet handling and careful positioning. Gloved hands run over surfaces producing soft friction sounds. Approval confirmations are spoken with satisfaction. Quality checks produce tapping and knocking for structural integrity. Riveting gun operates continuously, creating a methodical pattern of impacts. Metal compression sounds pulse with industrial rhythm. Cooling brakes bring the hiss of air release from pneumatic lines. Workers reset and adjust their positions with equipment shuffling. Right wing skin installation mirrors previous assembly sounds, with team coordination voices calling measurements. Progress updates are announced periodically. Power tools maintain steady operation. Metal panels settle into place with precision. Completed wings rest on support stands with occasional metal settling creaks. Inspection footsteps circle the assemblies slowly and deliberately. Satisfied murmurs from engineers and technicians. Measurement tools click and beep during final verification. Overhead crane startup brings motor strain and mechanical engagement. Chain links tension and clink together musically. Safety warnings are shouted with authority across the work area. Hydraulic systems build pressure with rising mechanical tones. Crane movement produces smooth mechanical motion with motor hum. Spotters call positions from multiple angles around the hangar. Precision guidance voices maintain constant communication. Cable tension creates subtle creaking sounds. Bolting sounds multiply as impact wrenches work simultaneously. Torque specifications are called out with technical precision. Connection verification produces testing taps. Structural integrity checks bring satisfied confirmations from the assembly team. Heavy lifting crane operation intensifies with cable tension, creaking under significant load. Hydraulic pressure sounds build and release in controlled cycles. Careful verbal coordination maintains constant communication. Safety protocols are announced clearly. Alignment verification process brings lasers beeping at regular intervals. Fine adjustment sounds include small impacts and shifts. Engineering approval discussions. Evaluate millimeter-level precision. Digital readouts are confirmed verbally. Dual wing attachment